Alright, so yesterday or this morning we made some progress on the website. So now we have the old website that will be archived. I think this is 0.2 version of the Logic virtual machine, and version 0.4 will be the main one here. I want to work on the navigation bar at the top and make sure it works on mobile as well. I realize that I have too many things. Let's see. So news will be the front page. I think home should be the user app, and I don't know if this can be like community something. I don't want to call this user profile. I don't know. What's a good name for private space on the website? iOS coding game doing it. I'm logged in, and then so they have drop down menus at the top, and this is home here, and that's where I am. So Clash of Code, okay. Solo, community, learning, and there is a search bar here. And then this is streaming, and this is notifications, logout, settings, profile, friends, and XP. So okay. Maybe there is more space than I thought at the beginning, because I don't want the search bar here, so I think it's still going to be saturated. This is more than 960 pixels. It should be 1280 pixels wide. So for this design, let's just put everything. That I want the news by default. Yeah, okay, let's just do something. So I need news. After that I need what do I need? Oh yes. Oh, okay, yes, no, that's correct. I need PLT. And I need resources. And I need a search. So that's, and then there is a user, that just be home. That's the same thing here. Test, I remove test. Oh, wait. Can I put a HTML file here? I'm bothered with this. Okay, it's because I did reveal. It's because I typed reveal here. So I can probably delete it. But at least I can see what it's like. Oh! Wait. That's why I have a router already? Yes, there is a router here. Because I was wondering why I cannot put a router here. This is so strange. So this, I don't have a choice about it, that's what React framework is doing. Okay. Let's... Okay, I don't need this page anymore. It's going to fail to compile, I suppose, because the files don't exist yet. Yep, files does not exist, so should I rename this to game dev? Yeah, it looks like a good name. Oh, what is design again? Oh, okay, that's what I wanted to try. Okay, let's do it first like this, because it's going to try this first, so if I do this, I will know if he can compile it. Yeah, he's stopping at news, so I strongly suspect that this works. I strongly suspect that this works. Okay, let's make all the files. The thing that worries me is that many of those files were static, so does it matter that I make an API request to fetch an article from the server? Maybe it doesn't matter. Okay, let's see if that's what bothers me. Yeah, we are not the same. Come on, come here. It bothers me. Design and development, there is no single word that word design, system design, content design, game writing, level design, user interface, audio, so much stuff, and you have the gameplay, and this is just game design, and you have to do all this. Do I keep them separate? I might have to do that, but at the same time doesn't really make sense because it's all game making. I'll just call it game making, unless like Wikipedia has an article on it. Nope, it doesn't understand. A game maker, game dev. Ah no, I got into crafting systems. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a good term for it. I just create game meeting and that will be it. Resource. Oh, okay. I mean, I don't like the term resources. No disambiguation about this? Should I just call it info? Info is like news. What's the name for this? I don't know. I just call it with no. Search. And this. And you have the home, which should not have this. Okay. So resources, what do I do here? And do I need about? Oh yes, I could have about actually. Should be there. And then so about I will put information like email and stuff, I suppose. And also how the project was created. Some background information about what I'm doing. Resources. Let's say external or external. No, that's the name, that's resources. It's fine, it's learning resources. So the endpoint will be learn more. Yeah, that's the idea, but I will keep resources after. Yeah, I will keep it, let's see. About should be last. Actually, resources should be last. Because I'm promoting the competition here, so should be last. So let's see if that compiles. No, I'm not created the proper file. About is missing. News. Oh, he's expecting JS. Okay. So This is not supposed to work. That's not what I want. Oh, okay. Yeah, importing HTML with React will not work. I have to convert the HTML to JS. Are you serious? Oh, wait, what? Path, redirect push. Navigate. Why do I need the word push? Wait, what is this? Oh, that's Markdown transformed here. What to do? Would be very useful if I could do this. Oh, wait, because I put it in a route. I just need to remove it. Yeah. I mean, I don't need to have it here. I'm just exploring the possibility of putting it here. That's the way to do it. Wait, what have I done? Okay. Navigate is not defined, obviously. Not found. Oh! The navigation worked. Okay. It's weird because the server does not say 404. I don't get the 404 here. It's React itself that does not have the route. There's an error here. Yes, there is no route for design.html. But if I do this, it's not going to compile. Oh, wait. An appropriate plugin to handle HTML. Or if it's an asset, to asset include in your configuration. Is that it? Who is causing the error? Is it React router, blah blah blah? I don't think that's the TS compiler. So I need to know where is asset include. Okay. So it should be here, I believe. There should be some something like this. Still doesn't work. I did it correctly, so why are you bothering me? This is stupid, you see? How do you have a front-end framework that cannot display plain HTML? This is just stupid. Oh, I will need to remember this. Yeah, I mean, I know. Okay, let's just give up. It's a waste of time. I don't want to give up. Damn. Yeah, I cannot get what I want. Oh, I see. If the asset is included, this means in the build, right, in the build, there is nothing in the build, what? Okay, I don't get it. Why is there nothing in the build? The routes, I remove it from the routes, but then that will cause the navigation to fail. But if I navigate to the asset, that should work. Where is the HTML? It's not there. It's not in the build. Where is the PNG? Here. In the root. How do I do it? I import it directly. So are you telling me that I should do the same? Something like this, maybe? It doesn't want to. Missing export. Oh my god. Can I? Damn. I want to avoid the iframe solution. This should work natively. I don't understand why it's just bullshit. Okay, let's. Damn, I don't want to give up. It's annoying. Oh wait, that was a var. Did I read this correctly? Where did I read this? No, that's what I read earlier. Oh, that's the thing with Nginx, which I will need. Damn, I need to put this guy way up there. Oh, come on. Way up there. Otherwise I will close it and forget about it. Okay, I don't think I need you anymore. Okay, how can I do this? I can just try to compile it also. I have no idea that this works. Import like this. Unexpected token. Yeah, I read something like this, but maybe require. I have no idea what I'm doing. Actually, require kind of worked. Yeah, still not found. Oh, because wait. What's going on here? This doesn't do anything anymore. I don't get a good feeling about it. I should just give it up. Oh, wait. Now it's in the client. No, it's the server path, but it's being included. Yes, it's included now in the assets. Oh, and the manifest is here, because there is a dot file, a dot directory, whatever. Let me check the client. Okay, first refresh. Oh, design is there. I click on it. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. I should just I want to check this assets. Damn, I don't see the file. Why does it say that it's there? It's like this guy. Oh wait. Oh, whoa. I remove the require and the file is gone. What is this? Import will fail, correct? No, it succeeds, and now the file is back. So I need an import or require to make the file exist. And now it's here. So I can do this, and therefore here. Yeah, it's saying not found. But if I were to do this, still not found. Okay, where is it? It is there, so why does it fail? Oh, there it is, it works. I don't know, there was a weird interaction, so I can serve HTML files that I built myself if I have asset include in here. Asset include, then I rebuild. I need an import to make sure the file will be in the build. And okay, there is something dumb here. Why is this here? It's both in assets and in app. So I'm not sure what's going on with this. Why is the file in two directories at once? Oh! So the public folder is for our files that must not be hashed. Wish I knew that. I found a way to circumvent it, but doesn't explain why the HTML file is duplicated. Did I import it twice? I don't think so. Yeah, I didn't import it twice. Okay, let's give up this and wasting time. So, we can remove this and finish the first step. Oh wait, I need the class name and stuff. I'll just make it a function or something. Yeah, I guess I will be enough. How can I make a function call inside of this? I think it's simple. I can just do is that going to work though? I need this. Okay, that looks better. And then here it's not a URL, it's a path. It's just a path. This is strange, the way I did it here. But maybe it's correct. Oh, something is missing. Yeah, he's not happy about something. Let's try comparing. Yeah, I don't get... I just want to return the nav link. Why is he bothering me? Oh, you mean I didn't... Okay. That's what it wanted. Oh, it's working. My test not found, obviously. It's working. Now I can remove the test. I wonder what is this syntax when you do the prop drilling and you need braces. Why? That's not what I want to know. Oh, this is destructuring? That's what it's called? Okay. Destructuring. You need to explain that to me. Okay, I knew about the array syntax here. I want to see the object syntax. So, two properties. This is the array syntax, I don't care. I don't understand. Oh, you can assign default values too? So, does this mean like every key value pair of the object is in the same order? And why do I need parentheses there? It didn't need it there. And it's needed here. I don't get it. Create the object, and the object is giving back okay. But if you do A and C, does that work? That's what I want to know. If you skip the B. Yeah, obviously, they are not showing the exams that I care about, obviously. Man, such incompetence at writing the docs. Okay, the parentheses around the assignment statement as required to when using object literal destructuring without a declaration. What do you mean? And this is also bad, by the way, because you give an example here and the explanation is like 3 pages away. And I don't see the difference between this and this, although there is a const here. So the difference is a const. Alright, whatever. Oh yes, const here. Man, just for destructuring, look at the size of the page, like... I'm not going to read all this. You're crazy. I don't need to. Alright. So that's how it works, and that's why we have braces here. And that's why I do not need them here for the navlink utility. So this one was... Aha! I should call it like content instead. And the question is this going to work? Ah, he's not happy because I deleted too much. My editor has this weird thing when I move up, it moves too much. If I go up 2, it's going to go up 3, and I don't know why. Is it 1 hour and 30 minutes? Yes. Okay. So I will end the episode soon. It does not work, it seems. I only got the news. Oh no, it works actually. Nice! I still have the icon, so... There is something magic about the syntax where like this is an object or something and you can pass it around and yet use it here, or maybe it's a string but then you don't see it as a string. It's a bit magical, I don't know. Right, so now this is home, okay, and this is news, and this is home. Wonderful. Now we have the helper function, we can just go and do all the routes. So we have news, results, making, PLT. Search. Oh, the search should be a simple icon. Actually, I will figure out how to get an icon for the search. Makes more sense. Oh, actually, this home icon here should be used for the logical virtual machine. That would be much better. Okay, let's remove this. Actually, let's do it this way. Wonderful. And then I can delete this. Time to have a break and go eat. Oh, it's kind of symmetrical or something. Nice. It works. I have to get a different name for home here. This is the user area. How to do this? Like, news events. The PLT should be next to the logic hub because that's programming language design. And I will figure out how to reorder these things, and then I need 32 pixel icons, maybe for each of them. Not sure. That would make the navbar much bigger, but having an icon for everything could be actually very nice. I'm pleased with the progress of today. Later on, I will start thinking about actually, oh yes, the drop down menu. When you hover, you need to see something pop up below it. So, like for game making, you have game art, game design, game development, etc. That's the sub-menus, what I'm trying to say. Alright, let's end the episode there and resume after lunch, I suppose.